In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the transaction history on Xero. Whether you're managing your business finances or just keeping track of everything for personal reasons, being able to see the transaction history is essential. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring that you find exactly what you're looking for in no time. First, what we need to do is direct our attention to the top bar of your Xero interface. You'll see several options there. Look for the one labeled Accounting. This is the gateway to accessing vital financial records, so go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do that, a menu will unfold right below it, presenting you with a series of additional options related to your accounting tasks. Among these options, you'll want to select History and Notes. This feature is particularly useful as it gives a comprehensive overview of any changes made within your Xero account. Once inside the History and Notes section, what you'll see is a chronological list detailing the history of all changes and transactions within your account. This powerful feature allows you to keep track of what actions have been taken, whether it was you adjusting something or perhaps your accountant or team member making updates. It's a transparent way to see how your financial data evolves over time and is especially valuable for audit purposes or just casual reviews. Now, the list of transactions can be quite extensive, and sifting through everything might seem daunting, but don't worry. Xero provides intuitive sorting tools above the list to help you out. These tools are designed for ease of use and efficiency. You can sort transactions by date, type, or user, depending on what information is most relevant to your needs at the moment. Simply click on the appropriate sorting option, and the list will reorganize accordingly, allowing you to pinpoint the exact transactions or changes you're interested in reviewing. And that's really all there is to it. With these few simple steps, you're now empowered to navigate the transaction history on Xero like a pro. Remember, keeping an eye on your transaction history isn't just about historical record. It's a crucial part of maintaining the financial health of whatever accounts you're managing. By regularly checking this history, you ensure transparency and accountability in your financial activities. So, take advantage of this feature whenever you need to review past transactions or any changes made to your Xero account. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy accounting!